I'm excited to not wear a hat. You don't expect somebody who had a hair transplant 3 years ago to be wearing a hat constantly, would you?
From me, girl. Why you want?
Hey guys, Alex Mazukin here from Boise, Idaho. I'm a home renovation YouTuber and I'm here in Istanbul, Turkey to get my hair transplant procedure done.
Wind up when you're mad, girl. Selector, won't you pull up, I just can't dance when times this tough.
I will say this to anybody watching this and is considering it, take it from me, somebody who's tried every advertised topical cream that promises you to regrow your hair. I've done all the oils that you can think of that you're supposed to grow your hair. In fact, there's a recipe of apparently using soaked onion sauce and putting it on it. I've done it all. Anybody that's considering this and is even considering trying these creams that you see on Facebook, just commit to this. Come to Turkey, get it done the right way, and don't put any onion sauces on your head because that doesn't work.
What do you say?
That's the most buttery thing I've ever eaten. That's incredible.
Good, how are you? Do you remember me? Yeah, you're the doctor, right? That we spoke on the phone. Yeah, good. Thanks for having me. I'm excited. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Not at all.
No,
because I've done this before.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Thank you.
Fill the rest of
Okay.
the email part is fine.
All right.
Hello Alex, how are you?
Good, thanks for having me.
You? Welcome to Turkey and welcome to Estenove. First, I'm gonna ask some couple of questions about your medical history to be sure about everything. After that, we are gonna talk about your surgery, okay?
Okay.
Did you have any surgery before?
I have 2 steel plates in here. Also hair transplant, yeah.
We are gonna use as a donor back and sides, ear to ear in this part. Just you have a problem about the density.
Density.
Yes, but we can fix the density.
Perfect.
Your donor area once harvested, we have to be very careful about the extraction.
Okay.
But we have to prioritize your frontal area, this
Okay.
part.
Okay.
We are gonna fix it with a great density. The remaining grafts I'm gonna implant on the crown.
Okay.
But the crown expectation needs to be real, okay?
Okay.
Yes, I can cover the crown, but maybe the crown density not be so high.
Okay.
I need just signature here. Also, I followed you on your Instagram, and you are using always.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
That after 6 months you don't have to use it.
I hope so.
I remember way back then we used to hang. Everything was different and cool in the slang. Use words like being fresh and do the pop lock. Curve blow in your box and you don't stop. The ladies back then, they don't make them no more.
It was no pain at all. So now we're getting ready to have them plant the new grafts. Looking forward to it.